Hey, Midwest Perker here. My name is Dave. I'm a part-time reseller, full-time husband, father, registered nurse. I sell part-time, mostly on eBay, sometimes Craigslist, sometimes Facebook Marketplace, not really. But this is a what sold video. The reason we do these videos is because when you're new to reselling, or even if you're not new to reselling, it really sucks to buy the wrong items and have death piles and just merchandise that sits on your eBay store or your Mercari or your Etsy for years and years and years. So you want to know what actually sells, what people are actually buying. So that's what this video is for, is to help you source the right items so you don't waste your time, money, and resources sourcing the wrong stuff. So a few quick updates. I sold in my previous video Dungeons and Dragons dice. I think one is called a die, but anyway, it's a 20-sided dice. It's clear, it's really cool. I knew exactly what it was. Cost of goods is practically nothing. I did look up comps and I listed it for $9.95 plus first class shipping on top, and boom, that thing sold in less than an hour. And I'm like, dang, I listed it too low. Well, an update to that, I sold it, I shipped it, but within hours of it selling, I got this message, which I'll put somewhere on the screen. Somebody messaged me and said, hey, if it's still available, I'll give you $20. Oh boy, yeah, so I did do my research, but apparently not well enough, and I guess it's worth $20, $30 for this one dice. I don't know why, but of course I messaged the person and said, sorry, it's already sold. I mean, that's part of the ethics of reselling. I don't care what the item is, I don't care what the offer is. Once it's sold, you're obligated to send it to that buyer. Now, if I was unethical, I could have canceled the sale, message the buyer and say, sorry, I can't find it, or it's damaged or whatever, and then, you know, message this other guy and sell it to him for $20. But that's just ridiculous. Nobody should ever do that. I would never do that. So, lesson learned. Do a little bit more research. I could have got a little bit more money. The other update is the Little House on the Prairie DVD set, the entire 9-season series that was on the previous video. I picked this up at an estate sale for 30 bucks. Comps are about $50, $55. I ran it past Mrs. Midwest and said, hey, do you want to keep this? Because it's really cool. We both like the TV show. And she said, no, sell it. No sentimental attachment at all. She said, just sell it. She watches Little House on the Prairie. I think it's on Hulu or Amazon Prime or whatever. Now, you can't pick what show or season. You have to watch whatever is being streamed. So I thought she would like the DVDs, and there's like 8 hours of outtakes and deleted scenes and all that kind of stuff. And she said, nope, sell it. So I'll be putting that up in my eBay store. Probably going to start out high, $59.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. Just let it sit for a while and see if it sells. So the reason you're here, first item is Mary Kay. Now, I've been selling a lot of Mary Kay. Enoch can't understand why I'm a cosmetics dealer now. Every what sold on eBay video is Mary Kay. Just a quick brief history. This is Mrs. Midwest personal stock. So she bought a lot of Mary Kay and she kept some, and she put some in a box, and that's not the one I want or whatever. So she handed me this box of Mary Kay that she bought over the years and said, hey, sell this on eBay. So there's not a lot of margin, very little profit. But that's okay. She bought it, doesn't want it, so now we're just going to basically get our money back. But if you see Mary Kay products brand new in the box or sealed at a garage sale, I don't know about a flea market. If it's baking in the sun, you might not want to do that. But if you go to an estate sale or a garage sale or something like that, and somebody has a box of Estee Lauder or Avon makeup. Does Avon sell makeup? Or Mary Kay makeup, and you can get it cheap, grab it because it's worth good money. So this first item is Mary Kay lip gloss. Cost of goods is $8. I sold it for $12.95. The rare free first class shipping because there's so much competition, and that shipped out the other day. Next is this 1981 Us Uncirculated Mint Set, and if you're not familiar with US coins, the US Mint issues every single year a proof set and an uncirculated set. So the uncirculated set is just basically brand new coins that have never been in circulation, pretty obvious. And they come in different kind of holders. Every decade or so they change the holders. But, you know, actually for the last long time, 15, 20 years, they haven't changed it. Then there's proof sets, which are better quality coins because the dies that smash the blanks go much slower, and the dies are polished, and it's a cleaner process. So collectors like proof coins, but these are not proof coins. These are just simply uncirculated. I don't even remember where I sourced these. They might be my personal coins from my personal coin collection. I don't even know. Cost of goods, I'm gonna guess $2. I had them listed for $19.95. I took a best offer of $16, and again, I say rare, but it's really not rare. Free first class shipping because there's a lot of coins on eBay. It's a very competitive market. So I did free first class shipping. I already know what they weigh. This little set goes in a padded 6x9 envelope, 6 or 7 ounces, no big deal. Made a fairly good profit on that one. Next is this set of beer bottle. This is really cool. I've never seen anything like this. Beer bottle salt and pepper shakers. I sourced this from Mr. Buys a Lot, Brian Davis, YouTube auction. Cost of goods is $3.75. I listed them a little high, I think $17.95, and I took a best offer of $13 plus first class shipping on top. And another Mary Kay item. Yeah, Joey's off to the side just laughing at me. Just shut up. This is Mary Kay mascara. Cost of goods $7.50. Took a best offer of $14. Free first class shipping. Not a big profit on that one, but hey, pretty much getting my money back on that. This is a quick plug for Midwest Picker Stories. Now, down in the description below is a link to my playlist of true stories. So, you know, if you're bored and there's nothing worth streaming on TV, gather the kids. Come on, kids. Come on, kids. Pop some popcorn. Gather the kids around the television. Go to Midwest Pickers YouTube channel. Oh, you're here right now. Go to the playlist Stories and just watch one story after another. They're family friendly, they're hilarious, they're gross, they're funny, they're amazing, they're crazy. But I think you'll enjoy it. So check out that link down below. Midwest Picker, true stories that either happened to me or I was there when they happened. Next is a wallpaper border. It's like a paint and hang border. It goes around close to the ceiling at the top of the wall. Similar to wallpaper, but not quite the same. Some of these are peel and stick. Some of them you have to paste. This is brand new in the package. Only $2 I got from a restore. Sold for $19.95. Again, free first class shipping. It was very light, so only, you know, I don't know, 8-9 ounces. And there's a lot of competition. Next is a cabinet card photo. I love old-timey photos. I just love them. But you can't keep everything. This is called a cabinet card because it's basically an old photo printed on like fiberboard or the precursor to cardboard. Got this from a flea market for $5, which is a little high, not too bad. I paid a little bit more than I wanted to. I listed this for $19.95. I took a best offer of $16 plus first class shipping on top. And you'll notice in the picture, the subject matter is horses. So that's probably why it sold for a pretty good price. 16 bucks isn't bad. But if you have a subject matter in an old-timey photo, such as trains, Native American, indigenous people, some, you know, flea market vendors might call them Indians, Civil War, obviously, any war pictures that are super old, any, you know, like a house on fire, any subject matter that you can put in the title and the description, St. Bernard dog, horses, trains, saloon, anything like that are guaranteed to sell. People like those particular subjects, so you can cover two areas. People that collect saloonware will want this old picture of a saloon, and people that collect old pictures will want a picture of a saloon. You get what I'm saying? Next is another Mary Kay item. I don't know what's going on. I'm a cosmetics dealer. This is called a miracle set. Don't ask me what that means. Ladies who like their makeup or know Mary Kay know exactly what that is. Cost of goods is $12.50. I took a best offer of $17. Free first class shipping. Next is an American Greetings ceramic figurine. Just sold it today. I sourced this at an estate sale like 2 years ago for like $6. Again, I overpaid, but it was kind of cool because it's real vintagey. It sold for $19.95 plus first class shipping on top. All right, I saved the best for last. This is the bomb. This is the nuclear one. Mary Kay. This is a big bag, a miracle set. Cost of goods $82.50. What the heck? $82.50. Why do you women pay? Why do you guys pay so much for this stuff? Oh my gosh. That's the cost of goods. That's the gross. 82 bucks? All right. I'll get off my soapbox now. It sold for $139.95 through the global shipping program. Somebody really wanted this really bad. Joey, 140 bucks. What would you rather have, Joey? A bag full of $140 in cash or a bag full of Mary Kay? Really? You'd want the Mary Kay? So that's the video, guys. That's what sold. Don't forget to check out Midwest Picker Stories, linked down below. I also have an ASMR channel. I forgot to mention that. I haven't mentioned that in a long time. But Midwest ASMR, that's linked down below too. Don't search it because there's another guy who has a channel of the exact same name, Midwest ASMR. He doesn't do much with that channel. I'm trying to grow mine, so go to the link down below if you're interested in that. If, like, I have this TV back here, if you want a background video while you're listing or working around the house or doing chores, you like pleasant sounds, I don't whisper or show my feet or do anything weird like that. This is like sounds of the swamp, you know, with the frogs and the crickets and all that, or birds, or my pellet stove. Some of them are short, you know, 10-15 minutes. Some of them are like an hour, I think, or longer. But this is just pleasant background ambient sound to help you relax. And if you can't sleep, you can put your earbuds in and use it as like a podcast and just listen to these sounds of the birds chirping or whatever. It might help you sleep. So that's the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you know anybody that would find this information helpful, hit that share button and share it with another reseller that might like it. But that's it. Till next time, see ya.